Okay, so charity receives a cheque for the value of £240, and these bullet points here just show how the money gets divided. Okay, so bullet point number 1, it says that charity decides to spend 1/8 of this money on food. So 1/8 is obviously a fraction of it, it's a part of it, and 1/8, remember, just means to divide by 8. Yeah, so essentially we want to do 240 divide by 8. Okay, and we can do that by just thinking about 24 divided by 8. So if we know our tables, 24 divided by 8, well, 8 goes into 24 3 times. But of course, remember then that 0 at the end here, okay? It'll actually make it to be £30 then, yeah? That's what 1/8 is then. Dividing it by 8, we get £30 spent on food. So then the remaining amount, well, how much is remaining? Well, if we take the £30 away from the 240, we get £210. Okay, so this is what's remaining. And it's used to pay for rent and council tax in the ratio of 5:2. How much money is spent on rent? Well, we've got this ratio here, okay, the parts that we've got here, and we can see how many parts there are. We've got 5 parts going to rent, 2 parts going to council tax, 7 parts in total. In other words, we want to share the £210 that's remaining. We want to divide it into 7 parts, okay? So it's the same as really working out 1/7 of 210, yeah? Essentially, that's what we're doing. We're going to work out 210 divided by 7. And just like we did before, 210 divided by 7, well, we can focus on the 21 divided by 7, and 21 divided by 7 is 3. But of course, don't forget that 0, so we get £30, okay? And that's what 1 part will be worth, okay? So 1 part or 1 share. For rent, okay, go in the order of the terms here, so rent, council tax, so the rent would be the first number here, okay, so 5 parts go on rent, so total rent will equal to 5 lots of these, so 5 lots of £30. So 5 times 3 is 15, add the 0, so we get £150.